we get a lot of requests on YouTube, on social media, on soldering, asking us, show us a video about how to solder. So the plan is today is on this scrap circuit board, it's an engine ECU circuit board that we don't use anymore, is to remove this chip here, clean the board up, and then to solder it all back on again. Let's do it. Okay then, so you've seen me remove the chip, put it all back on again. Let's have a look at it underneath the microscope. So as you can see there, it's all nice and shiny. The alignment's really good on it. Yeah, brilliant. So if you want to see any more of these videos, come and see us at Automechanika, where I'll be doing more soldering tips like this, and you can ask me questions and stuff like that. So like and subscribe if you like videos like this.